The next layer of your research onion is the very innermost layer, which is the techniques and procedure. In this we'll be learning many things, but first we'll have a look at the data. What is data? If you want to study the relationship between diabetes and the food consumption of one specific patient, you may have to collect data of those two variables. So we collect the data of food, which is the independent variable. How much food do you consume and how much diabetes you have on those days. So I'm taking examples in here for 2 days. The day number 1, you consumed about 10 units of food. You may have a measurement. I'm just using it for example, 10 units of food, and on that day you had the diabetes, which was 105, and on the next day, the day number 2, you consumed 20 units of food and you have the diabetes, which was the blood sugar level, which was 257. So I have the data of food consumption for 2 days, day number 1 10, day number 2 20, and the diabetes or the blood sugar level on those days respectively, which is 105 the first day, the day number 1, the day number 2 is 257. This is the data. Using this data, you can't come to a conclusion about the relationship between the diabetes and the food. But if you bring this data into a graph like this in the screen, you can understand when the food consumption increases, the diabetes goes up. So when you have some data, it is raw, you can't come to any understanding of it. But when you process it, when you put them in a graph like this, you will get some information. Based on this information, we can do some solution for our problem.